Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is James Pakion and this is Pakion FX. Guys, I hope you guys have been keeping good. I hope you guys are okay. I hope you guys are killing the market. It has been a very interesting week for GBP USD, as you guys can already tell. We have been having proper rallies happening, and we actually recently had an announcement which was a fundamental announcement, and it actually caused quite a bit of movement in our currency. Okay, so let's get straight into it. We are looking at GBP USD, and on our previous episode we were actually looking at the market while it was around this place here. So we had predicted that once it broke this neckline, let me just draw it here. We had anticipated that once it broke this neckline that it would rally to the upside, and it actually did that. It rallied to the upside, had a retest at this particular resistance level, and then it came back, found support at this particular level, and then continued to shoot up, broke out of this particular level, retested again, so the resistance now became support, and then we rallied to the upward side until this very fundamental level right here, which is level 1.40. so actually the currency pair at this time, this was a golden zone, as we had drawn in our Fibonacci. Just check it out on the previous episode. Once we reacted to this level, we stayed here for quite a bit. So we were just ranging in this place. As you can see, we ranged for quite a bit, and then we had the announcement of the FOMC at this particular point, and this caused a rally to the downside, and actually the currency pair has been falling all through till this day. So as you can see here, we fell through this particular level that had once become support, and we ranged here for quite a bit. We were just moving about this place, so we kind of retested it, failed to break out, and then we continued back to the downside. So the currency pair has been moving down towards this particular support area, and as you can see, it has actually reacted to this support area, and we had actually drawn a trend line that was being respected. Let's just zoom out to a much bigger time frame. As you can see here, we are sort of in an ascending channel, and yeah, so we are just currently waiting to see how this currency pair reacts. But as you can see on the daily time frame, we sort of formed a bearish candlestick pattern here, bearish hammer candlestick pattern, and we just retested a bit here. But as you can see, guys, this sort of wants to form a bearish hammer candlestick pattern again. So I am expecting that the currency pair is going to break this particular trend line here and continue to the downside towards this area. So this is our next point to check out. Let's just mark that out, zoom in a bit into a smaller time frame, which is 1 day, and yeah, as you can see, this was just it retested this particular support, came back, hit this resistance, came back down, and now we're just moving around this area. So I am hoping, or just expecting, that as we move towards this week, that this particular since it seems like the US market, or rather the US economy, is continuing to slowly come back up again, so I am expecting this currency pair to break below this particular trend line and continue to move to the downside towards this particular area, which is around 1.368. So we just keep watching how it moves, and we'll see how it continues to behave at this particular support. And yeah, moving towards the next few days, I am probably seeing let's just draw a small Fibonacci tool here. I want you guys to see something, so let's just draw that from the swing high to the swing low. And yes, I am expecting this pair to react to this Fibonacci level, which is level 0.236, and what I'm seeing is that it will hit that and then do this, probably come to around here and probably retest this area slightly, and then now just move to the downside all the way to this particular support. So we just wait and see how the currency behaves as we move into the next week. So I am hoping this video has been helpful to you guys. Let's catch up on the next episode of market structure analysis, and I will see you guys in the next one.